Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you think it's just a small delay, just one moment, just one excuse. But it's not, because in that moment, you're not just avoiding a task, you're training yourself. Think about it. You set a goal. You tell yourself you'll wake up early, work out, focus, be disciplined, and then the moment comes. The alarm goes off. The work gets hard. The discomfort hits, and you choose the easier option. Snooze. Tomorrow, just this once. It feels harmless, but your brain is watching. Every time you choose comfort over effort, your brain learns something. It learns that you don't follow through, avoid discomfort, you break your own promises. And slowly, that becomes your identity. Not because you're weak, but because you've trained yourself that way. That's the part most people don't realize. Weakness isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through small decisions, repeated daily, skipping the workout, avoiding the task, choosing distraction over focus. Individually, they feel small, but together, they shape who you become. And the scariest part, it becomes automatic. You don't even think about it anymore. You just quit early, delay things, avoid pressure. Not because you want to, but because it's what your brain is used to. But here's the flip side. The same way you trained yourself to be weak, you can train yourself to be strong. It starts the same way. Small decisions. When you don't feel like getting up, and you do it anyway. When you want to quit, and you keep going. When it's uncomfortable, and you stay. Those moments matter. A lot more than you think. Because now, your brain is learning something new. It learns that you follow through, you can handle discomfort, you don't quit easily. And slowly, that becomes your identity instead. Not overnight, not instantly, but over time. So, next time you feel like avoiding something, don't think of it as just a task. Think of it as training, because every choice you make is shaping who you're becoming. Do one thing today you've been avoiding. Just one. That's how it starts.